Just made it to where it branches off. It's been a whole bunch of soft sand hiking on top of snow, so pretty pleasant, but just opening up to a beautiful spot. Wow.
When the sun hits these just right, those swirls over there are just incredible.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You get that candy swirls in it. I think the best time is probably the spring light because it's tipped back and kind of facing.
So we're starting to get in a bit more of the swirls. You can see the candy stripes. I can see why it's called candy flats. But just like sand flats in Moab, don't get the flat part. There's nothing flat up here. Oh yeah, amazing.
Uh-oh, we got somebody here. Let me introduce who is here with me today, the king of Moab. High and mighty hikes, Micah is here. Look at this, we're out exploring. There we are.
Officially, I'm not the king, I'm more the jester.
The jester. Here we are out at Candy Flats, Peri, Utah Meet-up. The most popular people in Utah right here on Periscope today. Check this view out, guys. We are here at Candy Flats or Yant Flat here in southwest Utah.
We got Bella the adventure dog with me. Really wish I'd have brought Dixon the adventure dog. I think they would have made quick friends. Candy Flats here is amazing, huh? Very, very, very much like the Wave, except for there's no people or a lottery you have to enter to do it. Here with Blaine, great time. Great time. This is just after, if you guys are watching this, after the our Periscope stream, my first Periscope meetup. Blaine, just a great time. Been a long time since I got guided in the backcountry, so real treat for me today.